Hi, welcome to the Math Homework channel. Alright, so now this here we're gonna have problem with radical inequalities. They want to have the square root. Okay, so there is the rules for this. When you have the square root, x squared is equal to x or equal to negative x. Alright, so it's equal to x when x is greater than 0, or equal greater than or equal 0, and equal negative x when x is less than 0. Alright, so from this we can say the square root of x squared equal to the absolute value of x. Because from the previous term, when we say absolute value of x, so basically it's equal to plus or minus the value of x. Okay, let's take some example. It said, solve each equation or inequality when applicable. Right answer using inequality and interval notation. Okay, so the square root of m squared greater than 3. So we're going to apply the term. So it will be the absolute value of m is greater than 3. So that means m is greater than 3, or m is less than negative 3. We're going to apply the theorem, right? So that means when we apply the notation, so less than negative 3 but not included, so it's negative 3, negative infinity, with both parentheses goes open union, 3 to infinity, close open. In other words, so like that. Alright. So this is negative 3, this is 3. And I have parentheses here. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. The square root of 3 minus 2x squared is less than 5. So let's apply the term. So 3 absolute value, 3 minus 2x is less than 5. And then when we apply the theorem from last video, check it out. So we can say 3 minus 2x is greater than negative 5. That's theorem 2. And less than 5. And then what do we do here? So we can subtract 3 from both sides. So minus 3 minus 5, that would be minus 8, less than negative 2x, less than negative 3. 5 minus 3, that's 2. And then we can divide by minus 2. So it will be x less than negative 1 and greater than minus 4 over minus 2, that's 4. So that's going to be minus 1 and 4. That's my interval notation. And they're both open interval. Alright, let's do that one. So first step, absolute value, 3m plus 5 greater than or equal to 4. Alright, so that means 3m plus 5, we apply the theorem, it's greater than theorem, so less sign or equal to negative 4, or 3m plus 5 is greater than or equal to 4. Alright, so let's subtract 5 from both sides. So 3m less than or equal to negative 9. So m is equal, divided by 3, not equal, is less than or equal negative 3. Or here, so same thing, subtract 5. So 4 minus, this is minus 1, and 3m. So m is greater than or equal to minus 1 over 3. So to graph this, let's see how we graph this one. So this one is I think it's better if you just do the graph on the number line first. So m greater than or equal to minus 1/3. So this is minus 1/3 greater than or equal to minus 1/3. That's infinity. And less than or equal minus 3. So minus 3 right here. And that's my sign. And there you go. That's minus infinity here. So if you notice, we have the bracket here. So that being this point, the negative 3 and negative 1/3 is included. So if we write the interval notation, let's write the interval notation here. So it will be negative infinity to 3, or negative 3 to infinity. So the negative infinity is open, we'll put parentheses, and negative 3 is closed. I'm going to put bracket here. Union from negative 1/3, that's included, so we're going to put bracket here, and infinity. And that's parentheses, because it's open. There you have it. That's the answer.